how to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days problem easily and fast. All what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. Just open the Instagram and then go to the top here, open the settings on your Instagram. Now this is the settings. You will find many options here. Click on help option, and after that click on report a problem like this. Now all what you want to do on this page is click on report problem without shaking, and now you need to wait a few seconds. Now briefly explain the problem that you have right here and send a screenshot right here by clicking on gallery and send them the screenshot of the problem that you have. And last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and then update it if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.